Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. So today, of course, is Patch Tuesday for all Microsoft products and services. It fixes a total of 66 vulnerabilities. Out of the 66, and this is not just Windows, it's across other systems also, like, Microsoft Office, for example, or Microsoft Edge, things like that. So, of course, go and check out your updates, because in all of it, there's 10 critical security flaws. Of those 10 critical security flaws, we talked about it in previous videos. There are 2 0 days exploited in the wild that are really bad, and of course, for Windows. So you want to fix those. There's a web distributed authority and versioning, WebDAV, a remote code execution, and that is one. The other one that is also publicly disclosed is a Windows SMB client elevation of privilege vulnerability. So this, of course, can will allow attackers to gain system privileges. With improper access control in the Windows SMB. Will allow an authorized attacker to elevate privileges over a network. So this is kind of bad. For the rest, of course, if we look at Microsoft Windows, other important, so one critical is the Windows cryptographic services, remote code execution. It's critical, but not a 0 day. The difference between being critical and a 0 day has to do with the fact that a critical flaw is a really bad flaw that's got to be fixed quickly. But a 0 day is already exploited, it is known, and that's even worse. So another critical is the Windows KDC proxy service, Windows net logon elevation of privilege. There's a remote desktop services that is critical also in Windows. So there's quite a lot of problems, and Windows has its pretty big share of flaws, including one with Windows Hello for information disclosure vulnerability. So lots of things to fix. Make sure that you go and check out for your Windows updates, both for Windows 10, 22H2, Windows 11, 23H2, 24H2. It's important to fix. Especially, there's quite a lot of critical flaws. These are easy to exploit, but not known yet. But the 2 0 days exploited in the wild are even worse. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.